Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about PRPC, petroleum refining and petrochemical technology. Today start will be the explain manufacturing process for formaldehyde with a flow sheet. What is the formaldehyde? The formula यानी कि HCHO. Okay. In a previous lecture में આપણે મિથેનોલની મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ પ્રોસેસ જોઈ હતી ફોર મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ કમ્પાઉન્ડ ઓફ C1 ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ C1 કમ્પાઉન્ડ્સ. ઓકે, તો આજનો ટોપિક છે આપણે ફોર્માલ્ડીહાઇડ HCHO. એમાં ધીસ ઇઝ અ ફ્લો ડાયાગ્રામ સિમ્પલી એ જોઈશું એન્ડ સમ એક્સપ્લેનેશન પ્રોસેસ. ઓકે, નાઉ વિલ બી સ્ટાર્ટ the explained manufacturing process of formaldehyde with a flow sheet. The first point, the formaldehyde is obtained mainly as a constitute in the oxidation product of some combined paraffinic, especially methane. Okay, શું કીધું છે કે જે ફોર્માલ્ડીહાઇડ છે HCHO is obtained mainly as a constitute in the oxidation product of a paraffinic, especially methane. It can be cheaply produced either by dehydrogenations or oxidation process. It can be cheaply produced with by dehydrogenations or oxidation of methanol. Oxidations is carried out a silver gauge or a fix made of copper gauges bases. Okay, and then the methanol to air ratio is kept into the 0.3 to 0.5. The reaction is carried out in a vapor phase at 450 to 600 degrees Celsius under atmospheric pressure. Okay, now again repeated. What is the formaldehyde यानी कि HCHO? The formaldehyde is obtained mainly as a constitute in the oxidation product of a paraffin, especially methane. It can be cheaply produced either by dehydrogenation or oxidation of methanol. Oxidation is carried out a silver gauge of finally made copper gauge. Okay, and the methanol to air ratio is kept into 0.3 to 0.5. The reactions is carried out in a vapor phase at 450 to 600 degrees Celsius under the atmospheric pressure. Now this flow diagram draw out in your notebook. Now explanation part one by one. Okay, the first of all the air inlet section part, bypass to the reactor. Okay, simply first step, this one, air bypassed to which one is the reactor. This is the heat methanol entering part is a heat exchanger, and simply bypass to the water, cooling water, and then also bypass to the there to this one the reactor D. Okay, first steps, air inlet section part for in a reactor with also methanol, and the bypass to the reactor for ending the heat exchanger, and the bypass is there a reactor C distillation column, and the which is the part for a water cooling system માટે, and bypass to the column D for a recycle process for a methanol adding the system for reactor D, and bypass to the formaldehyde. This is the HCHO આપણને મળશે. Okay, HCHO. This is a simply flow diagram. This is a simply explanation part is there. Formaldehyde basis is obtained mainly as a constitute in the oxidation product of a purify in the specially methane. It can be cheaply produced either by the dehydrogenations or oxidation of methanol. Oxidation is carried out a silver gauge of a finally made copper gauge also, and methanol to air ratio is kept in a 0.3 to 0.5, and the reactions is carried out in a vapor phase at a 450 to 600 degrees Celsius in under atmospheric pressure. Okay, simply this is the flow diagram જે આપણે જોઈ છે. Now description part is there. First one, methanol is the first heat exchanger as sent into the vapor in the vaporizer. શું કીધું છે અત્યાર સુધીમાં આપણે પોઈન્ટ ડિસ્કસ કરે તે જોઈએ. તો ફર્સ્ટ વન, પેટ્રોકેમિકલ્સ. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ જોયું આપણે ડેવલપમેન્ટ ઓફ પેટ્રોકેમિકલ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝ ગુજરાત ઇન ઇન્ડિયા. એમાં કઈ કઈ વસ્તુનો યુઝ થાય છે, કઈ કઈ આપણે લો ડેન્સિટી પોલિથિલિન, હાઈ ડેન્સિટી પોલિથિલિન જોઈ શકીએ. બધી વસ્તુનો એનો ફ્લો ડાયાગ્રામ આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે. linear alkyl benzene also. Development of the petrochemical industries in Gujarat and India for manufacturing of important C1 compound, methanol, formaldehyde, manufacturing of important C2 compound and ethylene dichloride, vinyl chloride, ethylene oxide, manufacturing of important C3 compound and the polypropylene polypropylene oxide, chemicals from aromatic compound for manufacturing of linear alkyl benzene, of phenol by benzene sulfonate process. ઓકે, એ જોઈશું આપણે ડિટેલમાં. ઇથિલિન ડાયક્લોરાઇડ, ઇથિલિન ઓક્સાઇડ, એસિટિક એસિડ. ના ફર્સ્ટ જોઈએ આપણે મિથેનોલ. મિથેનોલ એ સિમ્પલ પ્રોડક્શન હતું એમાં, અને આ જે ફોર્માલ્ડિહાઇડ તેમાં HCHOનું જે આપણે ફ્લો ડાયાગ્રામ છે એનું એક્સપ્રેશન પાર્ટ જોઈએ છીએ આપણે. ધીસ વન. Now the methanol is the first heat exchange and sent into the vaporizer A. The first one is this one, vaporizer, this one, A part. Now second step, the vapors are mixed with required amount of air sorry, the vapors are mixed with required amount of the air and sent into the reactor B. શું કીધું છે? ફર્સ્ટમાંથી સેકન્ડમાં આવશે ટુ બી. જો અહીંયાથી બાયપાસ થવાનું ક્યાંથી ક્યાં? આ એ છે, એમાંથી બીમાં આવશે. નાવ the vapors are mixed with required amount of air sent into the reactor B, where the silver gauge is sprayed in a 3 or 4 level, which can help in cooling the gases also, and the outgoing gases exchanges heat and goes into the an absorber C, where a stream of water absorbers for formaldehyde and unreacted methanol part. In this section part, the vapors are mixed with a required amount of the air and sent into the reactor, where and the silver gauge is sprayed into 3 or 4 level, which can help in cooling the gases, and the outgoing gases exchange heat and goes into the an absorber C. So in a diagram જો this is the first one, A માંથી આવશે બીમાં, B માંથી આવશે C માં. જો દેખાય છે first one, second one, this is bypass to the C, third one. Okay, completely show in a diagram. ફર્સ્ટમાંથી એ છે, એમાંથી આપણે એર નાખીએ છીએ, એરમાંથી મિથેનોલ એડ કરીએ છીએ, and the heat exchanger part with the B column bypass to the C, then D, and the up to a part of the methanol recycling, and a bypass to this formaldehyde formalin solution. This is the part. Now methanol is the first heat exchanges and sent into the vaporizer A, and the vapors are mixed with required amount of the air and set into the reactor part B, where the silver gauge is sprayed in a 3 or 4 level, which can help in cooling the gases, and the outgoing gases exchange the heat and goes into an absorber, the part C, where a stream of water and absorbers the formaldehyde and unsaturated methanol part. The outgoing gases exchange the heat and goes into an absorber, part C, where a stream of water they absorbs the formaldehyde and unsaturated methanol part. Now the dilute mixture is distilled to the separate formaldehyde in the form of the solution, methanol in the form of vapor in the fractionator D. This is the fractionator D. This one. Simply methanol and air છે એમાં કનેક્ટ થાય છે પછી bypass to the B, then C part is the fractionation column D, and up top of the bottom part is the methanol recycling and formalin solutions for this part. Okay, now last 3 point. The outgoing gases exchange for heat and goes into an absorber, for wherein a stream of water absorbs formaldehyde and unreacted methanol. The dilute mixture is distilled into separate formaldehyde in the form of gasoline solution, methanol in the form of vapor in a fractionator column D. The methanol has vapor are cycled back to back the processes and exist on content for a carbon dioxide in this air. Okay, so thank you so much. હવે જોઈશું આપણે સમ રિવિઝન પાર્ટ. This is a simply paper. ક્વેશ્ચનમાં કયા કયા ક્વેશ્ચન આવી શકે જુઓ. એમાં this is a paper of petroleum refinery મિડ સેમેસ્ટરના હોય આવી શકે ક્વેશ્ચન્સ કયા કયા. તો ફર્સ્ટ આવી શકે classification of crude oil, બરાબર. The true boiling point also, this is a paper of in a mid sem exam. So first of all the classification of oil જે આપણે ઓલરેડી જોઈ ગયા છે. જે કયા ચેપ્ટરના ક્વેશ્ચન્સ છે? યુનિટ નંબર 1, classification of petroleum, કીધું ને, petroleum refining oil. These are the mainly 3 types in a classified as the first one is the paraffinic, second one is the mixed base or intermediate. Write down this forming 3 process, then I will completely discuss about in a detail. Okay, this is the 3 main process: paraffinic base, mixed base, or intermediate naphthenic base. Some authors have refined this naphthenic base as the asphaltic base. Milson characterized and the crude excessively on this base is a residuum, a material left behind after distillation of a fraction. Accordingly, the residue containing more than 5% paraffinic is a paraffinic crude. A residue containing as less than 2% of the paraffinic is the naphthenic base. A residue containing 2 to 5% paraffinic is the considered as a mixed base. Okay. Now, the proper methanol method of this base of a crude section in a US in this basis mind which distinguishes basis of the crude. ઓકે, ધ રાઇટ અ શોર્ટ નોટ ઓન ધ રિફાઇનરીઝ ઇન ઇન્ડિયા, કે એમાં કઈ રીતના હોઈ શકે. હવે ઇન્ડિયન પેટ્રોલિયમ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝ છે એમાં આપણે ઘણા બધા પોઈન્ટ જોઈ ગયા છે, આગળ ડિસ્કસ કરી ગયા છે કે કેટલા ઓનલી 11% કન્ઝ્યુમ્ડ ઇન એનર્જીસ પેટ્રોલિયમ રિફાઇનરી. ઓકે, ઇન ઇન્ડિયા. ઓકે, ક્લાસિફિકેશન ડિટેલ્સનું છે જે આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે ઓલરેડી. is the API graviton equations. Degree of API is equal to 141.5 by rho minus 131.5. Okay, the specific gravity of these fractions at 15.6 degrees Celsius by 15.6 degrees Celsius. Now this mix measures equations છે API mix. Then petroleum factors gases ના કયા કયા છે? Associated gas, natural gas, dissolved gas, casing head gas, refinery gas, LPG. Okay. Now its name indicated that it is readily available in the natural phases, almost as a finished product. Okay. તો થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. આપણે જોયું ફોર્માલ્ડિહાઇડ અને મિથેનોલ બે વસ્તુ કમ્પ્લીટ કરી દીધું છે. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.